fed up using different batteries and chargers for different garden tools? Here's the solution. A quick charging, interchangeable 40-volt lithium-ion battery that works across the Aerotek Garden Power Range. No need to fill up with petrol, maintain an engine or manage cords. Simply pop in the powerful lithium-ion battery and you're ready to go at the press of a button. It gives the same performance as petrol or corded garden tools and has a handy indicator light showing how much battery life is left. Battery and charger are included when you purchase the Aerotek cordless lawnmower, with 50-litre folding collection box and 400 square metre mowing capability. Or can be bought separately for use with the Aerotek telescopic cordless chainsaw with its extra long cutting length reaching up to 3.5 metres and large oil tank. Cordless grass trimmer designed to cut grass quickly and efficiently. Cordless pole trimmer with a telescopic range of up to 2.75 metres. Or cordless hedge trimmer with extra large 500mm cutting length. Discover the easy way with the Aerotek Garden Power Range and powerful interchangeable 40-volt battery.